guys, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. So ahí está la mamis in the couch. Say hello, mommy. Hi. She's watching it right now. It's her cartoon. Okay, let's get started in this video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the Sephora favorites, hottest and hair care must-haves for next level hair. And I got this one maybe 4 or 5 days ago from the Sephora website. If you guys look there, right now it's on sale for, well, the regular price I have right now is for $35 plus tax, free shipping. So if you guys see this, it's a 60 millimeters, 12.64 ounces, 94 grams, and 3.30 ounces. And it looks like this. As soon as I saw it, I was like, yeah, I need this for my hair because I love hair care items. And if I can get my hands on new stuff because I have damaged hair, you know, like a lot of us do, because we colored our hair or whatever. So right here, it just comes the products that come inside. And we're going to take a look at it right now. See, so you guys can have a close-up of everything that I have in here. So let's open it up. It's pretty big, as you guys see. Here are my hand size right there. So, okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, and then right here, it was just tape right here on the side. There was like 2 little circle tapes right there. So that's what we're seeing right now. I will adjust the camera a little bit better. There you go. Look how beautiful, guys. Comes like this with this little thingy that you can actually play with it. I used to like the little bubble ones, the bubble wrapping ones, because I can play with those. Okay, so let's get started on this right here because I'm doing a lot of blah blah blah. Dream Coat the Wow right here, and it says color wow, just in this super natural spray. Look, it's so reflective. Okay, and then right here, use every 3 to 4 shampoos, it says right here. So I guess, let me see closely, because I can't really see it. Just okay, this is 3 to 4 shampoo, condition with dry hair, spray each section liberally, comb through, blow dry each section using tension, dryer heat required to activate product. So I guess it's right there. You can barely read it because it's so chromy that you can barely see it. And of course, it's going to be like a spray bottle type. So I'm interested in trying this to see how it's going to be used. Okay, this is the Adwa Beauty. Sorry if I say it wrong. Blue, what is it? 10C reparative mask for damaged or color treated hair. Okay, so that's nice, you know, just information about it. So can't wait to try that one too. I hadn't heard about this one. I heard about this one before, but okay. Okay, this one, they're not too small sizes, guys. They're like good quality, good type of it seems like good quality too, but it's like a big one. It does not like one of those tiny jars or nothing like that. It's pretty good sizing for trying on. This is going to be Monsoon Moisture Mask for your hair, made with 100% recycled plastic. This one, apply freshly shampooed hair. Let set for 10 minutes or longer, depending on hair texture and damage level. Then rinse thoroughly. So that's nice right here. See the product inside, so you guys can, oh, it has one of those little LED thingies, but can't wait to try those. Let me see, this one doesn't have it too. Oh, I can't even open it. I don't want to open it. Anyway, so it's okay. Okay, right here is the Vegamore Grow Revitalizing Conditioner and shampooing, made with chromatin. Okay, I guess. After shampooing, apply a quarter size amount onto wet hair. From scalp to end, massage into the scalp for 60 seconds. Leave in for 3 minutes and rinse. So that's nice right here. Hopefully this does miracles to my hair, you know. Okay, so it's not bad. Look, ooh, full size item right here. This is the JVN Complete Air Dry Cream. Okay, with my silicone free and sulfate free, color safe, vegan. Okay, and that's gonna be 5 full ounces. And this one I have tried the little sample. You know those little samples you get from the Sephora every time you order. So I like this one really like a lot. This one you use it with when you blow dry your hair, or I use it with my hair straightener, flat tip thing. And right here, okay, diffuser, work desired amount through any kind of hair to add buildable, touchable, and that lets your natural texture shine. So yeah, it is really good. So I really recommend this one because I've used it before, as I said. So this is going to be the only item that's going to be full size. Okay. And then reverse hair damage in 4 minutes. The K18 biometric hair science. Leave-in molecule repair hair mask. So that's nice. Look. Yep. I like this, I really do, so can't wait to try that either. As I said, these ones are like deluxe samples. You know, even it says right here in the box, the only item that it comes full size is just gonna be this one. So the other ones are just like deluxe samples. Okay. This one is a Ceremonia Guava Leave-In Conditioner. I like it that it's like in both sides. Okay, deep hydration repair cream. And this one, remove excess water from clean, damp hair. Begin with a dime size amount of product. Spread conditioner between your palms and apply throughout hair, focusing on mid lengths and ends, avoiding the scalp. Apply more as needed. So that's pretty neat right here. It's gonna be 2 4 ounces on this one. For this, the first ones, this was gonna be 1.74 ounces. Okay, this one was 3.3 ounces. Just going through so you guys can see. 2 4 ounces on this one. Okay, on this one it's gonna be 0.5 ounces. For the hair, it's going to be 0.17 ounces. And of course, we know this one's the full size, as I said. Okay. And then this one right here is the Crown Affair. Take your time. Okay. Wait, let me see. Ooh, okay. Right here is going to be a lightweight hydrating serum for every texture. Okay. And let me see. Wait a second. Okay, so this is going to be the Crown Affair, take your time, and it says our minimalist oil blend conditions and protects your hair, smooth split ends, and reduce frizz through a mix of Japanese ingredients, including cold pressed, I don't even know that word, and foam seed oil. So there you go right here, so you guys can read it or pause it if you guys want to see more. Let me see how it looks, the item inside. This one, so it's going to be one, oh, okay. It's going to be one of those dot ones. Okay. Let me see on this one too, how it's going to come. Sorry, I'm going back, guys, but I just wanted to see so you guys can actually be able to see the product. Okay, this is going to be one of the squeezy tubes for the K18. Okay, and then, yeah, that's it, guys. Oh, wait, not it. Okay, and then this one, oh yeah, I forgot because it has the mashing conditioner and the shampoo. So this was the conditioner and this is going to be the shampoo. And again, it's going to be 0.54 ounces. Revitalizing shampoo. Okay, and the directions just like the other one too. Okay, lather a quarter size amount onto wet hair from scalp to ends. Massage into scalp for 1 minute. Rinse. Follow the Crow revitalizing conditioner for best results. So yeah, there it goes right there. Can't wait to try these two together. You know, and I'll let you guys know like follow-up video from this one to see how I like these products, guys. Okay, and then the next item that I got here is going to be the Fable and Mane hair oil right here with the little dot one. Okay, so with this hair oil, you just put it at the bottom of your ends of your hair. So moisturize it, so that's good. So that's nice right here. Okay, and then on the side from this, with the order, if you spend more than $35, you know, you get little freebies from Sephora. So I got these 2 freebies. One of the offers that you have right there online. And I got the Shido Ultimate Power Infusing Concentrate. Intergeneric Red Technology. Immunogeneric Technology. There you go. Let me see how it looks inside. Oh, okay, I like this. Look how it looks, the packaging. The Ultimate Infusing Concentrate. Case for your skin. So, hey, can't even open it. Okay. Oh, it's gonna be like that. Let me see, it smells. It smells good. It smells like clean. So, that's gonna be for skin. Okay. Let me see, put it back in. So that's nice. I can't wait to try this one. The Shishido, because I know that's really expensive. So again, great way to try the products. And this one is the Essential Energy Hydrating Cream. Okay, let me see how it looks. Love the packaging. So cute. Let me see. Oh, okay, and this one's gonna be just a little essential little tube. The other one was a little tube type, and this was just a little jar. Oh, okay, nice. Let me see, it smells. It smells like nothing. It's just like a clean scent almost. It just smells fresh, but not really a scent. But so I love that I got those 2 items right here. And sorry if I mispronounce some names, but sometimes they're hard. And then for the samples, I got these 2 items. Samples on the end to add on. The Agua Lagoria Berlin Paris. Okay, this one's gonna smell, let me see. Zesty Juicy Pear. So let me see if I like the scent. I'll tell you guys. I like the smell of pear. It smells so good. I recommend this. It smells good. I would buy this one full size. I like that one a lot. Okay, and then the Allergenist Genius Liquid Collagen. Okay, and I have tried this one before. I liked it. So yeah, they have these options. They have like maybe 6 to 8 options. So you guys can pick and choose at the end when before you guys check out. Right there is gonna say just samples to add on, and then the offers. Make sure you always look at the offers of the Sephora website, because if you spend like 25, 35, 85 or around there, even over 50, I think you guys get different offers that you guys can just add on besides the little samples. So that was nice from Sephora. You know, to add that on. Ooh, my perfume fell off. A little travel size. So yeah, guys. So this is what I got from the Sephora. I love this one. I really recommend it. Just for the price you pay, just right there for the $35, you get all this. Yeah, you can try on plus the samples. So I think that that's like a bargain, just in case you guys don't want to spend on the full size. It gets really expensive, especially if you don't know if the items are going to work for your hair. So that's a great way to save money and try high-end stuff for your hair. So thank you for watching this video. Thumbs up this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys. Helps my video a lot. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Say bye, mommy. Bye, guys.